Welcome back to another episode of Let's Wander in the Wild and see what we can find out of the wind. Today we're actually not in Auckland anymore. We are actually in Taipei. So there appears to be two birds of prey. I think it might be some sort of eagle. All of the birds here are freaking out. Whenever they fly close, all of them start chirping to warn each other about the bird. Alright, that was a pretty good filming session. Lots of pigeon here. Let's see how it turns out in the camera.